The waves crashed gently on the shore, their rhythmic dance a timeless symphony of the sea. Each wave, a whisper of the ocean's secrets, caressed the golden sands, creating a serene and tranquil atmosphere. It was a seemingly ordinary day, the kind that invites one to lose themselves in the beauty of nature's simplicity. The sun hung high in the sky, casting a warm golden glow over the tranquil sea, where gentle waves rolled in with a soothing regularity. A group of surfers, tanned and exhilarated from riding the Pacific swells, gathered their boards, laughter echoing across the beach. They were a picture of joy and camaraderie, their spirits lifted by the thrill of the waves and the camaraderie of shared adventure. But their carefree mood was about to shift, replaced by a sense of awe and unease. As they walked along the shore, their eyes were drawn to something unusual lying on the sand, something that didn't belong. There on the golden sand lay a creature unlike any they had ever seen before. It was a fish, yes, but one of colossal proportions and peculiar beauty, a sight that seemed almost otherworldly. Its silvery body, stretching over 20 feet long, shimmered in the sunlight, reflecting the rays in a dazzling display of nature's artistry. The fish's scales glistened like 1,000 tiny mirrors, each one catching the light and casting it back in a brilliant array of colors. The sheer size of the creature was enough to take one's breath away, but it was the vibrant crimson dorsal fin that truly captivated the onlookers. Resembling a fiery crown, the fin ran the length of its serpentine form, adding an element of majesty to the already impressive sight. The fin's striking red hue stood in stark contrast to the silvery body, creating a visual spectacle that was both beautiful and unsettling. It was as if the fish had been touched by some divine hand, marked with a symbol of power and mystery. The surfers had stumbled upon an oarfish, a rare denizen of the deep, and their discovery sent ripples of curiosity and concern far beyond the sun-drenched beach. The oarfish, with its elongated body and distinctive appearance, was a creature that few had ever seen in person. The news spread quickly, amplified by the whispers of folklore and the undeniable allure of the unknown. People from all around the coastal town flocked to the beach, eager to catch a glimpse of the mysterious visitor and to share in the excitement of the discovery. The oarfish, often referred to as the king of herrings or the ribbonfish, is a creature steeped in myth and legend. Throughout history, it has been the subject of countless tales and superstitions, often seen as a harbinger of significant events or changes in the natural world. Its sudden appearance, particularly so close to the shore, was seen by some as an omen, a message from the depths that something was amiss. The oarfish's presence sparked a flurry of speculation and debate, with some viewing it as a sign of impending natural disasters, while others saw it as a rare and wondrous gift from the ocean. The surfers, unwittingly, had become players in a centuries-old narrative, one that intertwined the fate of man and the mysteries of the ocean. Their discovery was a reminder of the vast and uncharted world that lies beneath the waves, a world full of secrets and wonders waiting to be uncovered. As they stood there, gazing at the magnificent creature before them, they couldn't help but feel a deep sense of connection to the ocean and its many mysteries. The oarfish was a symbol of the unknown, a reminder that there is still so much to learn and discover about the world we live in. As the sun began to set, casting a warm golden glow over the beach, the surfers and onlookers slowly dispersed, each carrying with them a sense of wonder and a story to tell. The ocean, with its endless depths and boundless mysteries, had once again revealed a glimpse of its hidden treasures, leaving all who witnessed it in awe of its beauty and power. The night sky, dotted with stars, reflected on the calm waters, creating a serene and magical scene. The discovery of the oarfish had left an indelible mark on the hearts and minds of those who had witnessed it, a reminder of the ocean's enduring allure and the endless possibilities that lie beneath its surface. And so the waves continued their eternal dance, whispering the secrets of the deep to those who would listen, inviting all to explore and discover the wonders that lie beyond the horizon. The ocean, with its infinite mysteries, remains a source of inspiration and fascination, a testament to the beauty and complexity of the natural world. The oarfish, scientifically known as Regalicus glesna, is the longest bony fish in the world, capable of reaching lengths of over 50 feet. This remarkable length makes the oarfish a true giant of the deep, often inspiring awe and curiosity among marine biologists and ocean enthusiasts alike. They are true creatures of the abyss, inhabiting the twilight zone of the ocean, a realm of perpetual darkness and immense pressure. This zone, also known as the mesopelagic zone, extends from about 200 to 1,000 meters below the ocean surface. Here, sunlight barely penetrates, creating an environment where only the most specialized creatures can survive. Their bodies, laterally compressed and ribbon-like, are perfectly adapted for navigating this challenging environment. The unique shape of the oarfish allows it to move with minimal resistance through the water, conserving energy in a habitat where food can be scarce. Unlike most fish, the oarfish lacks scales. Instead, its skin is covered in a layer of silvery guanine, giving it a shimmering, almost ethereal appearance. This reflective quality not only makes the oarfish a sight to behold, but also serves as a form of camouflage, helping it blend into the dimly lit waters of the deep sea. The oarfish propels itself through the water with a graceful, undulating motion of its long dorsal fin, which can number in the hundreds of rays. This unique mode of locomotion allows the oarfish to move both forwards and backwards with ease, a useful adaptation for navigating the complex terrain of the ocean depths. They are solitary creatures, rarely observed in groups, and their biology and behavior remain shrouded in mystery. The solitary nature of the oarfish makes it difficult for scientists to study them in their natural habitat, and much of what we know comes from rare encounters and the occasional specimen that washes ashore. Scientists believe that oarfish primarily feed on small crustaceans and jellyfish, using their toothless mouths to filter prey from the water. This diet suggests that the oarfish plays a crucial role in the deep-sea food web, helping to control the populations of these smaller organisms. Their large eyes, adapted for the low-light conditions of the deep sea, suggest that they are visual predators, although much about their feeding habits remains unknown. The size and sensitivity of their eyes indicate that they rely heavily on sight to locate prey in the near-total darkness of their environment. The oarfish's life cycle is another enigma. Despite being one of the most fascinating creatures of the deep, very little is known about their reproductive habits and early life stages. They are believed to be solitary breeders, releasing eggs and sperm into the water column, but their spawning behavior has never been observed in the wild. This lack of direct observation leaves many questions unanswered, such as how often they reproduce and what conditions trigger their spawning events. The few insights we have into their reproduction come from the discovery of oarfish larvae and eggs, which are occasionally found floating in the open ocean. These larvae are tiny and transparent, making them difficult to spot and study. As they grow, they undergo significant changes, eventually developing into the long, ribbon-like adults that are so rarely seen. The oarfish's interactions with other deep-sea creatures are also largely a mystery. While they are believed to be solitary, it is possible that they have occasional encounters with other species, either as predators or prey. Understanding these interactions could provide valuable insights into the complex web of life that exists in the deep ocean. Some researchers speculate that oarfish may be drawn to areas of the ocean where underwater volcanic activity occurs. These thermal vents create unique ecosystems that support a variety of life forms, and it is possible that oarfish visit these areas to feed or breed. However, this is purely speculative, and more research is needed to confirm any such behavior. The oarfish has also captured the human imagination for centuries, often being mistaken for sea serpents or mythical creatures. In various cultures, sightings of oarfish have been linked to legends of giant sea monsters, and they are sometimes considered harbingers of earthquakes or tsunamis. These myths and legends add an extra layer of intrigue to an already fascinating creature. Modern scientific research is slowly unraveling the mysteries of the oarfish, but there is still much to learn. Advances in deep-sea exploration technology, such as remotely operated vehicles, ROVs, and submersibles, are allowing scientists to observe these elusive fish in their natural habitat more frequently. Each new discovery brings us closer to understanding the life and behavior of this enigmatic denizen of the deep. As we continue to explore the depths of our oceans, the oarfish remains a symbol of the mysteries that lie beneath the waves. Its graceful, otherworldly presence serves as a reminder of the vast, uncharted world that exists in the deep sea, waiting to be discovered. The oarfish's size, its unusual appearance, and its association with the deep ocean have made it a subject of fascination and fear for centuries. This mysterious creature, often referred to as the king of herrings, can grow up to 36 feet in length, making it one of the longest bony fish in the world. Its elongated, ribbon-like body, adorned with a red dorsal fin that runs the length of its back, gives it an almost otherworldly appearance. The oarfish's deep-sea habitat, far removed from human eyes, only adds to its enigmatic allure. In Japanese folklore, the oarfish is known as the Ryugu no Tsukai, which translates to messenger from the sea god's palace. This name reflects the deep cultural significance the oarfish holds in Japan. The sea god, or Ryujin, is a powerful deity in Japanese mythology, ruling over the ocean and its creatures. The oarfish, as his messenger, is believed to carry important omens from the depths of the sea to the surface world. It is believed to be a servant of the dragon god Ryujin, and its appearance is often interpreted as a warning of impending earthquakes or tsunamis. This belief stems from the oarfish's rare appearances near the surface or washed ashore, which are often followed by seismic activity. The connection between the oarfish and natural disasters has been a part of Japanese folklore for generations, with many stories recounting the creature's role as a harbinger of doom. Legend has it that the oarfish will deliberately beach itself before a major seismic event, a final act of service to its master before the ocean unleashes its fury. This self-sacrificial act is seen as a way for the oarfish to warn humans of the impending danger, giving them a chance to prepare for the devastating forces of nature. The sight of an oarfish on the shore is thus met with a mix of awe and dread, as it signals the potential for disaster. This belief is so deeply ingrained in Japanese culture that the sighting of an oarfish, whether alive or dead, is often met with anxiety and a sense of foreboding. Communities living along the coast are particularly attuned to these sightings, as they are more vulnerable to the effects of tsunamis and earthquakes. The appearance of an oarfish can lead to heightened vigilance and preparations for potential natural disasters, reflecting the deep respect and fear that the ocean commands in Japanese culture. The oarfish is not the only creature associated with earthquakes in Japanese mythology. Another significant creature is the catfish, known as namazu. According to legend, namazu lives in the mud beneath the earth and is capable of causing earthquakes when it thrashes about. The god Kashima is said to restrain namazu with a large stone, but when Kashima's vigilance wanes, namazu's movements can lead to seismic activity. Catfish, too, are believed to possess a sixth sense for seismic activity. This belief is supported by observations of catfish behavior before earthquakes, where they become unusually active or agitated. The sensitivity of these creatures to changes in the environment has led to their association with earthquake prediction, much like the oarfish. Together, these creatures form a part of the rich tapestry of Japanese folklore that intertwines natural phenomena with mythological beliefs. However, the oarfish, with its serpentine form and association with the depths, holds a particular power over the human imagination. Its rare and mysterious appearances, combined with its striking appearance, make it a symbol of the unknown and the powerful forces that lie beneath the ocean's surface. The oarfish's connection to the deep sea, a realm that remains largely unexplored and filled with wonders and dangers, adds to its mystique and the sense of awe it inspires. Its appearance is a stark reminder of the immense forces that lie beneath the surface of the ocean, forces that can both sustain and destroy. The ocean, with its vast and uncharted depths, holds many secrets, and the oarfish is a living testament to the mysteries that still elude human understanding. As we continue to explore and learn about the ocean, the oarfish